holiday season is fast approaching, which means it's almost gingerbread time. So today I'm going to show you step by step how I make my favorite gingerbread recipe. Now this one is particularly suited if you want to make a house or something that needs to be structurally sound while still tasting amazing. I'm probably not going to end up eating mine because it's probably going to sit out on display for a while and get dust, and nobody wants to eat a dusty cookie. A stale dusty cookie. Anyway, I have everything mise en place, which is basically a fancy French word for saying everything is measured out and ready to go. So let's get started. It's one loud car. Here in front of me I have my flour and it's already been sifted. Into that I'm going to add some salt, ground ginger, allspice, baking powder, and cinnamon. That looks good, so I'm just going to set this to the side and grab my brown sugar. Do any of you make little like brown sugar cakes whenever you measure it out? Because you know when you like pack the brown sugar in there, how it comes out, you have to like hit it really hard and it comes out in like a perfect little, like almost like sand. Anyway, I'm just gonna smash it because I feel weird now. Okay, this bowl might be too small, but you know what, we're just gonna go with it. So I have my 3 sticks of butter and I'm just gonna add them in to my brown sugar. Okie dokie, my cheap hand mixer, please make it over here. I think this bowl's gonna be too small, but we'll find out. If you were looking for a satisfying baking video, this is not it. I'm a very messy baker, aren't I? Sorry, Mom. Now I'm just going to add in 1 egg at a time and give it a good mix in between each addition. Alright, this bowl is way too small, so you guys are just going to have to deal with my ugly white bowl. Hey! Dashing through the snow with my hands covered in goop. In goes my water and the molasses. Ooh, wow. Look at that color, man. And ooh, I've been waiting to use this. I bought this off Amazon because I thought it was adorable. It's this tiny little spatula and I finally have a chance to use it. Guys, have you ever seen someone geek out so hard on a spatula? I know, I'm different, I'm weird. Anyway, I'm doing this with my left hand, which makes no sense because I'm right-handed. Do you ever worry that you'll lose your dominant arm and then you'll have to relearn everything with your left? Like, have you ever tried to do anything with your not dominant hand? It's really hard. Anyway, you guys came here for gingerbread, not for talking about losing limbs or anything, so let's get mixing. Always scrape down your bowl because you want all the ingredients to be evenly mixed. Boom chakalaka. Scrape-a-the, scrape-a-dee-dee. Okay, last step. I'm just gonna add my flour in 2 parts, just so I don't spray flour all over. Well, for many reasons really, but just do it in 2 parts. Just don't question it. Should we name our gingerbread man? Is it a man? No, it's gonna be a house. We can't name it. It's a house. Well, you can name a house, but I'm not going to. I was gonna name you, but you're gonna be a house, not a man, so. All right, in goes the rest. You know what I'm asking Santa for Christmas this year? A stand mixer, because that was a workout. Okay, next step, we got to cover it. We need to cover it. Cover it, right. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm just gonna take half of my dough. Oh. Okay. This is pretty sticky. Yes. Squish it around a little bit. So I'm going to stick this half in the fridge and then get started on the second half. Get out of the way, cheese. This is making room for my gingerbread. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just going to stick both of my halves in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours and preferably overnight, just so they can chill and set up. People are so rude. Thank you guys so much for joining me to bake some cookies today. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Also, if you want to see how I put this dough to good use, click here to see me make a crazy gingerbread house, and click here to see how I make some adorable Christmas gingerbread decor. And as always, thanks for watching. Bisous!